Can't really see them from right here, but look at the swells. They're freaking, it's right there where all the deep water channel hits. Can you see it? Right, there's like a line right there. See how big the swells are? Right here it's all like smooth, and then you get right there where it drops off in the deep water channel and turns into big old like swells like waves. I thought that was pretty cool. That's why I stopped here. See it from the road when you're driving by. You see like the one current's going down river, and then the other one's going, looks like it's trying to go up. It might be getting ready to switch. Oh, some duckies. Oh, 2 guys chasing 1 girl. Doesn't that sound about right? Oh, my back's starting to go out. I'm standing here. But I did want to show you how people are still being pigs. See right over there? Somebody's bait bag and shit. Well, they put a rock on it so it wouldn't blow away. And I'm going to take some pictures of some other garbage down here in a second. So, RV Bridgeman signing off for now. Bye.